Okay, so we've completed all inspections and now it's time to write up what is called the investigation addendum. All requests should accompany proper documentation, and typically that is um, the inspection report that you were given is referenced in our addendum.
Yes. Yep. And if there's pictures in that report, we can make those go with it as well as estimated repair costs.
It is important to consider all options. Not every seller is in a position to pay for this list of repairs. Sometimes they will offer to hire a professional to make the repairs. They may provide some sort of a credit. Sometimes that can be put in escrow. It can come off the sale price. And then there's other times where like a home warranty is picked up to just provide additional coverage, but we have to be flexible during this period.
Yes, and for that home warranty, it can be either purchased by the buyer or the seller. And if both parties can agree, it is a time when the buyer could terminate the contract.
Yep, this is the
get out of jail free.
Yes. As realtors, we don't like that.
No. We like to work.
We like to
through.
keep the deals together.
Yes.
But of course, we will work through this process with you guys and with buyer or seller, and we will get through this last kind of negotiation step that most people aren't prepared for. So
right, exactly.
we got your back.
We do.